The oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Grooming Kit is a fantastic all-in-one grooming solution for pet owners looking to reduce mess and make home grooming easier. The ability to vacuum while grooming, along with cordless clipper use, adds convenience and flexibility. Its low-noise design, large dust capacity, and variety of grooming tools make it ideal for pets of all sizes, though owners of long-haired pets may find themselves using the vacuum's highest setting more often. Overall, this kit is an excellent investment for those wanting a cleaner home and a happier pet grooming experience. Some users mentioned that while the vacuum suction works well for most coats, it may not be powerful enough for very thick or long-haired pets, requiring more passes to remove all the loose fur. Additionally, the cordless tools, while convenient, might have slightly reduced battery life during extended grooming sessions, especially when used with larger pets. A few customers also noted that while the low noise level is great for pets, very noise-sensitive animals might still need time to adjust to the device. Users love the grooming and vacuuming combination that removes loose hair while keeping their homes tidy. The ability to use the clippers, trimmer, and nail grinder independently, without the vacuum, provides flexibility, allowing pet owners to groom pets in any location. The low-noise design, operating at just 60 decibels, is a standout feature, as it helps pets stay calm during grooming. The adjustable suction levels allow users to choose the right level for their pet's comfort. The extra-large 1.5 liters dust box is praised for its capacity, requiring less frequent emptying, and the space-saving storage system ensures the kit stays organized. The oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit is a 7-in-1 grooming solution designed to simplify pet grooming while keeping your home clean. With its vacuum function, this kit collects up to 99% of loose pet hair directly into the vacuum dust container, ensuring no mess. Equipped with cordless pet clippers, a nail grinder, and a paw trimmer, you can use these tools independently or with the vacuum for added convenience. The 1.5 liters detachable dust box is larger than most, making it perfect for long grooming sessions without frequent emptying. The kit also comes with grooming and de-shedding tools, providing a complete grooming experience for your pet.